McNamara report on the new Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4630 4-in-1 color printer, an affordable wireless solution for a small business or busy home office that lets you print, scan, copy, and fax one- and two-sided documents, and even send jobs to it from smartphones and other mobile devices. Epson claims the 4630's new precision core printhead, which can generate up to 40 million precise dots per second, helps it achieve dramatic print speeds as well as print shop quality color prints and laser sharp text, all at much lower per page costs than you can get from competitive color laser printers. On top of that, the 4630 sports a colorful 3.5-inch touchscreen monitor, a monthly duty cycle of up to 30,000 pages, a large 330 sheet paper capacity, and fade and smudge resistant DuraBrite Ultra Pigment inks. But can you really get all these features and high-end performance for under $200? Let's find out. For starters, and I mean that literally, you have to load the CMYK starter ink set that ships with the 4630. This takes about 10 minutes to charge up the system, and while that's happening you can fill up the paper trays and get ready to load the software on a Mac or PC. This process is streamlined if your computer is attached to the internet because the software automatically downloads the updates and utilities, including Document Capture Pro. Now the last step before printing is to make sure that you have the right paper setup in both the bottom tray and the rear tray. And then be prepared to be amazed because this is one of the fastest inkjet printers I've ever tested. While it takes 8 seconds for the first print to come out in this 4-page test, the rest follow quickly, and the printer can keep up that pace indefinitely, reaching that 20-page color or black and white print per minute advertised claim with ease. And just as Epson claims, fonts and color graphics on single-sided prints from the 4630 look like they were produced in a professional print shop. While magnified areas of test prints show the superiority of the 4630 over a laser printer costing twice as much. Look at the dot screen in that laser printer. In addition, color accuracy on glossy photo and matte papers gets an excellent rating on this printer, which is significantly higher than you'll get on more expensive laser printers. Another advantage that the 4630 has over laser printers costing twice as much, and quite a few inkjets in its own price range, is its ability to print on both sides of a sheet of paper. This not only saves time, but it saves paper costs. And this two-sided advantage also applies to copying and scanning documents. And since the automatic document feeder can hold up to 35 sheets, you could actually scan up to 70 pages automatically. It may take a little longer than scanning single sides, but it saves you a lot of effort. And it's not just printing, scanning, and faxing that are fast on this device. What once was an arduous task of setting up Wi-Fi and making sure you had the right router commands is sped up incredibly by using the 3.5-inch touchscreen interface. And if you have a WPS button on your router, it makes it even easier than ever. In this case, I was able to set up my Wi-Fi and confirm it in under 2 minutes with just the touch of a few buttons. And while many printers have a USB thumb drive connector on the front or in the back that allow you to print photos from that thumb drive or even scan images to it, the interface on the 4630 is hard to beat. It's incredibly well thought out, and the 3.5-inch monitor, again, the touchscreen, offers capabilities that are not found on most other devices. You can actually use swipe controls, move your finger to move back and forth from one image to another. It's a large screen so you can see what you're looking at. You can crop and then choose the images that you want to print. I loaded Epson's premium presentation matte paper in the rear feeder and was actually stunned at the color saturation and overall image quality and sharpness that came out of the printer. I think it's safe to say that the new precision core technology in this printer takes 4-color printing to a whole new level when it comes to photography, maintaining all the smudge resistant and instant dry features of the DuraBrite Ultra inks while producing frameable, long-lasting photos. Now, another feature that adds a lot of value to this device is its ability to scan directly to the cloud. You can set up a Dropbox or Evernote or Google Docs folder, and within minutes of hitting the scan button, your documents are available online. Road warriors can use this cloud connectivity in the opposite direction and send photos from their tablets, cell phones, or even Wi-Fi connected digital cameras directly to the 4630 using Epson's Connect, a free app that lets you print images from these devices from any location and have them pop out on your printer in your office or in the home office. And prints are usually ready within minutes of upload. And you can even choose the paper type and size from your mobile device. So there you have it. In a nutshell, the Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4630 certainly lives up to its claims, showing some of the best performance I've seen in a printer in that price range, and some of the best image quality of any 4-color printer I've ever tested. All the other features add up to an incredible value and an incredible performance package. For more information on this printer and other printers that I've tested, click on the icon to my left. And thanks for watching the McNamara Report.